Bad Kindle self-publishing niches, the worst niches. Welcome to the channel, A Healing here. So today we're going to be talking about if there's such thing as niches you should avoid, and if there's such thing as a bad and unprofitable niche. Well, the answer may actually surprise you. Bad niches don't exist, but unprofitable keywords do. Remember, all niches are profitable, but not all keywords are profitable. You must understand this distinction. A niche is a marketplace like any other. Thus, if we're using logic, if a market exists, there must be a demand, right? There are definitely niches as a beginner you'll want to avoid due to market saturation, but that doesn't necessarily make them bad. I myself have found great success in penetrating saturated niches. The truth is you can make money off any niche found on Amazon, but each niche requires a different level of skill, difficulty, and execution. The weight loss niche is arguably one of the most profitable niches on Amazon and industries worldwide. Over billions of dollars produced from this niche alone. But does this mean you can take your part of the market share? You potentially can, but I can tell you it won't be easy. Right now, you can try to publish a book under the keyword weight loss, have the best looking cover, and the best quality content up to date. But I can assure you, your book will get lost with the many thousands of books that get published under this niche every single day. Mainstream niches. The thing with large niches like weight loss or even self-help is you can't go in blindly. You need to be specific, narrow down into a sub-niche, and come up with something creative, so like a creative angle that hasn't been done before. Don't be the 50th paleo diet cookbook. What is going to make you stand out from the crowd? What makes you different from your competitors? Penetrating saturated niches. Who is your target demographic? Who is your customer avatar? Are they men, women, or even elderly people? For example, weight loss for seniors or weight loss for women over 30 years old, or weight loss for pregnant women. This versus a book geared toward general weight loss is much better, I'm sure you can see. What do you think is more appealing? When you're specific and you specify, you appeal to your audience rather than a broad angle that's very generic. Finding demand. The truth is not all niches are made equal. You may find a sub-niche that has less competition, but the earning potential may be capped. Niches with more search query volume naturally have far more potential for earnings. This is the sort of yin and yang balance you need to find as a self-publisher. A niche that has enough competition to identify a demand, but not saturated enough to have your book lost in the back catalog. So in summary, there is no such thing as a bad niche. All niches are profitable, but not all keywords are profitable. Focus on your customer avatar, who they are, and how you can serve them better than your competitors. Stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching. That's going to be all for this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.